This is my 1992 Range Rover Classic. I got some lights on over here, but it's running. I did an ignition control module relocating kit on it, homemade of course. Looks like I got a valve cover gasket leak over here. There's a little bit of smoke. I got some junks inside the car, but going to clean all that out. She runs, and boy can she tow.